Camping has been a favorite pastime for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers for decades. However, with the advancements in technology and the demand for convenience, camping has evolved to become more modern and comfortable. In this video, we will explore the 7 coolest innovations that have revolutionized the camping experience. From portable gadgets to cutting-edge equipment, these innovations are designed to enhance your camping trip and make it more enjoyable than ever before. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. When it comes to camping, one of the biggest challenges is dealing with pesky mosquitoes and other insects. The Flexel Tiny Repel is a game-changer in this regard. This compact and lightweight device uses ultrasonic technology to repel mosquitoes, creating a bug-free camping experience. With its long-lasting battery and easy-to-use design, the Flexel Tiny Repel is a must-have gadget for any modern camper. With the Flexel Tiny Repel, you no longer have to worry about carrying heavy and messy mosquito repellent creams or sprays. Simply turn on the device, and its ultrasonic waves will keep mosquitoes at bay. This innovative gadget is not only effective but also safe for both humans and the environment. Say goodbye to itchy mosquito bites and enjoy a peaceful night's sleep during your camping adventures. If you're looking for a camping experience that combines comfort and mobility, the Roto Prototype is the perfect innovation for you. This futuristic camping trailer is designed to provide a luxurious and spacious living space while on the go. With its unique rotating design, the Roto Prototype allows you to extend the living area, creating a comfortable and functional camping environment. The Roto Prototype is equipped with all the amenities you need for a memorable camping trip. From a fully equipped kitchen to a state-of-the-art entertainment system, this innovative camping trailer has it all. Whether you're camping in the mountains or by the beach, the Roto Prototype will ensure that you have a comfortable and enjoyable experience. Say goodbye to cramped tents and hello to the future of camping. Now, at number 5, we have the Ecoflow Wave 2, the portable air conditioner designed for camping. This incredible device promises a remarkable 8 long hours of comfort, making it the ideal companion for those warm summer camping nights or chilly winter adventures. What sets the Ecoflow Wave 2 apart is its lightning-fast cooling and heating capabilities. Thanks to its tailor-made compressor, this portable AC can cool down your tent in no time during scorching summer days and warm it up quickly during chilly nights. It's like having your own personal climate control system in the great outdoors. The Ecoflow Wave 2 made waves at CES 2023, earning the title of the best portable air conditioning device. When it comes to camping, staying connected with the outside world is important for safety and convenience. The Eaton Sidekick is a rugged and portable solar-powered radio that ensures you never lose touch, even in remote camping locations. This innovative gadget features multiple charging options including solar power, hand crank, and USB, giving you peace of mind knowing that you can always stay connected. The Eaton Sidekick is not just a radio, it also doubles as a flashlight and a power bank, making it a versatile and essential tool for any modern camper. With its durable construction and waterproof design, this gadget is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. Whether you need to listen to the weather forecast or charge your phone, the Eaton Sidekick has got you covered. Cooking delicious meals while camping has never been easier thanks to the Bond Stove Mini. This compact and portable camping stove utilizes innovative technology to provide a clean and efficient cooking experience. The Bond Stove Mini eliminates the need for bulky gas canisters and makes cooking a breeze. The Bond Stove Mini features a unique flameless heating system, which not only reduces the risk of accidents but also minimizes the environmental impact. This innovative camping stove is also equipped with smart sensors that ensure precise temperature control and efficient energy usage. Whether you're boiling water or cooking a gourmet meal, the Bond Stove Mini will help you create culinary masterpieces while enjoying the great outdoors. At number 2, we have a true camper's essential, the Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. This versatile tool is not just for survival situations, it's an all-in-one solution for various camping needs. The Mossy oak knife is a cutting-edge innovation that combines functionality and durability. With its razor-sharp blade and ergonomic design, this camping knife is perfect for various outdoor activities, including cooking, hiking, and even self-defense. The Mossy oak knife features a high-quality stainless steel blade that stays sharp even in the toughest conditions. Its non-slip handle provides a secure grip, ensuring your safety during use. Whether you're preparing food or setting up a campsite, this innovative knife will be your go-to tool. Invest in the Mossy oak knife, and you'll never have to worry about having the right tool for the job during your camping adventures. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Mars Player's The One multifunction outdoor equipment. This is not just camping gear, it's a complete game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, offering an all-in-one solution for all your camping needs. The One truly lives up to its name by providing an all-encompassing solution for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're preparing meals, lighting up the campsite, or ensuring your safety, the One has got you covered. It's not just a piece of camping equipment, it's an entire experience. But that's not all. The One features not one, not two, but 3 patented Red-X far-infrared radiators designed to heat up your campsite. This innovative technology ensures a cozy and warm environment, even in the coldest of nights. Say goodbye to shivering in your sleeping bag. The One keeps you comfortably warm. The One comes equipped with everything you need for campsite cooking. Its versatile design and integrated features make meal preparation a breeze. Plus, the built-in lighting system ensures you can enjoy your dinner even after the sun has set. But wait, there's more. The One isn't just a camping kit, it's the ultimate glamping kit. It adds a touch of luxury to your outdoor experience with features that go beyond the basics. There you have it. Our list of the 7 coolest innovations for modern camping. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more exciting camping content, and we'll catch you in the great outdoors. Happy camping!